Here's how to get an ElevenLabs API key and set it up properly. Head over to your ElevenLabs dashboard and find My Workspace down in the lower left corner. Click on that to open up the menu, then pick API keys from what shows up. You'll land on the API keys page where you can see any keys you've already made. Hit the Create API Key button to start making a new one. Type in whatever name makes sense to you in that text field. Trust me, you'll want something descriptive because you'll probably end up with a few of these for different projects. Now here's where it gets a bit more involved. ElevenLabs doesn't just hand you a key that does everything right off the bat. They make you pick which features you actually want to use, which honestly makes sense from a security standpoint. Scroll down and you'll see all the permission stuff. You've got your basic text-to-speech, voice cloning if you're into that, and a bunch of other API endpoints depending on what plan you're on. Just check off whatever you need for your project. There's this restrict key toggle at the top that you can turn off if you want full access to everything, but I'd leave the restrictions on unless you really need everything unlocked. The character limit thing is optional, but worth thinking about. This sets how many characters your key can churn through each month. Leave it empty if you want unlimited, or put in a number if you're worried about costs getting out of hand. Once you've got everything set up how you want it, click Create, and boom, there's your shiny new API key staring back at you. Copy that thing immediately using the copy button and stick it somewhere safe. This is your one shot to see the whole key, because after you leave this page, you'll only see the name and the last 4 digits in your key list. That's it.